Okay, wheel number 4 on the Mustang Mach-E. I skipped number 3 because the damage was at the bottom where I couldn't get the camera situated. This one's gonna be the same. It's got a groove up here where the tire machine caught it, and a little bit more at the bottom that I can't get on camera, but all this is gonna be shown. And a little bit more over here on the side, it's just a scuff. Again, this isn't super deep on this one, so I'm gonna sand it out and get it ready for paint. While I'm doing this, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll get this wheel ready to go. We'll get this scuffed up with the 1500 grit scuff pad. All right, we are going with the paint and the clear mixed together in my gun with the 0.8 tip so that I can keep this as accurate as possible, since I can't get in here to wipe off any overspray with lacquer thinner and a rag. So let's go ahead and paint this up.